Hi, I'd like to introduce you to Tapir. Tapir is an add-in that connects Microsoft Excel with Hubspot CRM. The easiest way to get Tapir is to go to the Microsoft Office store, store.office.com, to type in Tapir in the search, and that will take you to our app listing. Once you're at the app listing, you simply click the Add button and agree to the terms and conditions. This will install the Tapir add-in in your version of Excel. The add-in is available from the Data menu by clicking on Data and selecting Deals. This brings up the add-in and allows you to log into HubSpot in order to connect your version of Excel with HubSpot CRM. When I click Log into HubSpot, I simply input my username and password through a standard HubSpot login page. My user information and password are never stored in the add-in. They simply pass through in a secure protocol. And as soon as I'm logged in, I'll see that the portal I'm connected against, or in other words, the version of HubSpot I'm using, and I'll see the fields available for me on the Deals object. I can select all the fields and retrieve my data. I can then begin to do things that are standard in Excel. So I can expand my columns so that I can see all the fields. I can go ahead and insert some pivot tables or reports. And most importantly, I can begin to take action inside of HubSpot. So by changing the contract value, in this case from $2,000 to $10,000, and changing this deal value from $30,000 to $40,000, I can simply click Save. And the rows that I've updated have just been passed back into HubSpot. And if I log into the HubSpot user interface, I can see those updates. I can make the changes to the amount field, or the close date field, or the name field, or any field that's not marked as read only. So I have a very dynamic connection from Excel to HubSpot CRM. And then I can go even further. The data is stored physically inside of an Excel table, so anything I can do in an Excel table, I can do with my data. If I'd like to, I can create a simple pivot table report right here that allows me to do analysis. It's using Table 1, the table that our Tapir add-in created, and I'll populate my pivot table into a new worksheet. This allows me to begin to do things like, for example, begin to really analyze the pipeline. So first I can break it out by stage. Maybe I can also examine the data by type. So I can look at my type by stage broken out. I could look at it by close date, or I could add a slicer onto the table. I can use all of the things that pivot tables and standard Excel functionality allow me to do. And I can build really elegant reports quite quickly. So if I want to look quickly at what's in my Q3 pipeline, broken out by existing business versus new business, I have a quick and easy way to do it. If I want to dig into and reformat the data, I can close my Tapir add-in down and work primarily inside of the standard pivot table. Simply reformat the data as a currency. I've got a nice breakdown if I'd like to extend that to October, start in June. Got one slicer there, and then I might even add a breakdown. Look at that data by deal name. Maybe look at that data by deal owner as well. So the combination of a dynamic sheet connected with HubSpot, paired with the power of full Excel analysis, and the ability to update data back into HubSpot is what you get when you use the Tapir add-in that's available from the Office store. In upcoming videos that are available on our website, we'll go deeper into the types of Excel analysis you can do, combining data from the table of data that comes with HubSpot, perhaps with local tables that you're storing inside of Excel, or with data that's sourced from other areas. Hope you get the opportunity to try the add-in out, and we look forward to your feedback. Thanks.